with the Quirkles.
That's right.
Very good to see you again.
You too, Tom, always.
Yeah, they're already teasing me what you're going to be showing.
Right.
Gilbert Gas, huh?
Gilbert Gas.
Okay, before we go into that, remind folks what the Quirkles are.
Okay, the Quirkles is a 26-book science literacy series that integrates the two topics. Has 2 science experiments at the end of each book. We have a new book out with 2 additional experiments, so you have a lot more, and it also does some inquiry-based science. So
it's a great way to get the kids interested. I've seen you at work at, like our weather school and all that kind of, that's Storm Academy. So that's a lot of fun. What are you going to show us today?
Okay, today we are introducing Gilbert Gas. I mean, what self-respecting kid wouldn't that be interesting already, right? Okay, we know that soda is pumped full of carbon dioxide.
Right.
So let's slowly open our soda, Tom. The key word being slowly. Okay. Now Tom wanted to do this. There you go. So you're not going to get a shower.
Not if I can help it.
Now take your balloon, take your blue balloon.
Blue balloon.
Yeah, I decided we'd be patriotic. I have red, and pour your balloon. Fill it with salt, put it over your tray, and kind of just the bottom part. Now again, if you were doing this as a true experiment, you would want everything to be real accurate as far as the exact amount of salt for both sodas. You have Coke, I have Pepsi, so you do have 2 variables. Some of the things that we have put in the new book for inquiry-based is you could test the temperatures of the soda to see what kind of reaction you get.
Oh, yeah. I mean, scientifically, everything should be the same.
Oh, Tom, you've got, okay.
You just want the bottom, or you want...
No, you're good, you're good. So let's put it over the top. Now, I can warn you, Tom, if you get a hole in your balloon, it's always interesting. Okay, now, lift up your balloon. Let the salt pour down into the soda. You're good. Now leave it up. Leave it up.
Yeah.
And there you go. Now, interestingly enough, you have not created more carbon dioxide. As you see, the soda went up into the balloon, and then it will go back down. Tom, you look nervous. It's going to be okay.
Yes. Oh, I know. I see it. It's filtering back into there, but it's like the original thing is run, head for the hills.
Do you remember if you...
Rob.
You remember a year ago when we did the Mentos and Diet Coke experiment?
Oh, yeah. How can you forget that one?
That's right. Well, the same science principle is introduced in this one. It is not that the salt is creating more carbon dioxide, but it actually has nucleation sites, and the carbon dioxide bubbles are forming on the salt, which drops to the bottom and pushes the carbon dioxide out. You have to have a nucleus for it to hang on to. Correct. Yeah. Now, let's just put this aside somewhere. Okay. And what's interesting, and what would be a great activity for, I'm just going to put that down here. I'm going to put it over here. We're going to get another soda. Yeah. And let's see if it's just salt that creates that reaction. Okay. I have put sugar in this balloon. Open this one too? Yes, open this one. Okay, we've got about 30 seconds. This would be a great inquiry-based lesson that the kids could do. Is it just salt that creates the reaction? Or does sugar or perhaps baking soda? You could use several different substances to see if you get the same reaction. Lift it up. And does sugar create the reaction as well? It sure looks like it. Uh-oh. And I knew. Rob, catch. Hey, Rob, we need you over here. Yeah, and this, of course, this is what the kids think is fun because, science doesn't always work exactly as you have planned. Yeah. Although we kind of had this one planned, maybe. Did you just waste a bottle of Coke and Pepsi? Because I was going to come over and drink some of this. Yeah, no, you can't. Oh, no, you're welcome. Yeah, it's sweeter than it was before. Man. But it's always fun. Just always have a rag. All right. The Quirkles, it's always a lot of fun. As you said, and today we learned about Gilbert Gas. And, of course, there's going to be more ahead. Where can people find the Quirkles? On our website, Quirkles.com, IPA, Gold Mines, Anna Sophia's. Is that me or the Pepsi? I'm not sure.